What's up, rare Bitcoin token holders? Today video is absolutely very shocking and absolutely this video will make you millionaire. But if you watching this video, kindly subscribe this channel for more this type brand new videos, and definitely for free signal and price prediction videos, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So rare Bitcoin, my friend, you can see here 2.51% price decrease. You can see here, and 29,684 USD dollar was the current price. My friend, this was the same Bitcoin, my friend. As you can see here, the volume was decreasing. You can see here 32.45%, and if we check out, my friend, you can see 2.51, and my friends 2.79% market cap volatility. That is a really bad news for everyone, but don't worry, my brother. I'm sure to in upcoming 24-hour WBTC was be upward and give you a profit. So the price was jumping down, remember, to after a dump every coin was pumping up, but in this time, as you can see, my friend, the price is very cheap. So if you buy it in this time, 100% you will be get a very good profit. But one thing more, my friend, is the volume was increasing. That's clear, my friend. To market cap was increasing, and that's clear. When market cap was increasing, the price will be increasing. So this time the volume is increasing 100%. I will give you guarantee, I will give you the challenge, my friends. So in upcoming 24-hour, the price of Bitcoin was be increasing. So you will just check out, and if you trust me, then invest and hold. Otherwise, my friend, this was not a financial video. I just advise you to kindly research personally, but absolutely the price will be increasing in upcoming 24-hour. How do you feel about Bitcoin today? I'm feeling very good now, because definitely I see the good news, my friend. You can see at 44% people good, but 56% feeling bad now. But don't worry, my friend, in upcoming 24 hours they will give you a completely surprise. All right, so my friend, 877, you can see here what it will get now, my friend. The price will be increasing in upcoming 24-hour. If you are trust me, then go and invest, and if you are not trust me, then kindly research personally, search about this, just search about this. I'm sure when you find it it was good for investment, then invest. Otherwise, don't invest. All right, so my friends, what's your advice, what's your opinion to it is good for investment in for short term especially, or not, my brother? Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and take care.